My name is Francisca Shelton, and today I'm going to be talking about the movie Rushmore. Rushmore came out in 1998 and was directed by Wes Anderson, and also written by Wes Anderson with the help of Owen Wilson. It's a movie about a teenager named Max Fisher, who's played by Jason Schwartzman. And so Max is kind of an odd kid, extracurriculars at his school, which is a private school called Rushmore Academy. And it's kind of a movie about him falling for a teacher at Rushmore and the complications that surround that. And so Wes Anderson is known for his distinctive style, and he uses a lot of techniques in Rushmore that help create the movie, and it's a unique movie. And so today I'm going to analyze how his use of montage, set design, and other techniques help create the mise en scène in the movie. And so Anderson's use of montages is an important and reoccurring technique in his movies. In Rushmore, one such montage occurs after the school's headmaster calls Max one of the worst students at the school. And then a 21-shot montage that lasts like about a minute and 15 seconds occurs and reveals to the audience that Max is he's like the president or vice president or captain or founder of almost all of the school's clubs. And so the use of this montage, which goes through each club, helps to characterize Max as unexpectedly involved in extracurriculars despite being a horrible student. And so the audience is not only told about his involvement in the clubs, but they're shown that yes, he is involved in all of these clubs, so it's a show not tell sort of technique, I guess. And also in this montage, there's text used to display the names of all the clubs and his position in them. And this helps create the mise en scène too, because the font that Anderson uses, which is Futura, is used not only in the credits and the titles, but throughout his movies. And the use of this font, or the recurring use of the font, helps create an overall look and feel to the movie, so it adds to the mise en scène. And another part of the mise en scène is created by the design of the sets in Rushmore, and these sets are always very detailed, and the designer has paid a lot of attention to each little detail in the set. And so this often helps to create like a nostalgic feeling in his movies. So for example, Rushmore uses paper library cards to check out library books and like blackboards in the classroom. So yeah, that just helps add to the mise en scène. And the costume design also adds to the mise en scène because it just helps create like a general feeling in the movie, because it's kind of odd costume design. It's kind of out there. And so each character kind of has a unique style. So Max wears like a red beret and a fur hat sometimes, or like a green velvet jacket. And this helps to characterize Max as kind of like an odd person, kind of out there for his age, I guess. And so all of these techniques that Anderson uses, like costume design, set design, montages, fonts that he uses in the text, these end up creating like a storybook feeling, like a two-dimensional flat feeling in his movies. And you can see this in Rushmore through the use of all of the techniques that Anderson puts into the movie. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed me looking into the movie Rushmore. Anderson is one of my favorite directors, and so I really love his movies and Rushmore, and I hope you're interested in them too.